I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here. In here can you looking for Tandem app, or just click here on search, then here add Tandem app here, so just add it, then you click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click here on your Play Store here, then here search for Tandem app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.